Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Lucas. The company that I choose to make the complaint was the superfood because they are not helping in an appropriate way to the environment but polluting it. Because they are not giving proper management to the water systems, and where they are eliminated. This is leading to the stream that many people use. This water is being contaminated by. I would like to say to site, company that please take more precaution with the subject and be able to look for alternatives to control the discontamination. One of them might be that a more adequate treatment of as the water is carried out with different chemical agents that can reduce the pH and make it as similar as possible to water. For this purpose, not all degenerated must contrast with the water of the same stream. This is one of the best alternatives so that the problem does not continue to be presented, and we can give the fastest solution to the reported issue. For this purpose, not to degenerate much contrast with the water of the same stream. Then, thank you very much for your attention. Bye bye.